So Nick, tell us a bit about CED Group.
CED Group, we're electrical contractors, made up of electrical business, a high voltage business and a refrigeration business.
Yep. Okay, and how big's the team?
A team of 60 people across 2 locations.
Beautiful. And we've been doing a bit of work for you of recent with our HR services and we did a strategic planning session, but the last couple of days we've done a offsite with 5 behaviours of a cohesive team. How did that go?
Incredible, in short. Yeah, impact's been huge across the team. Just understanding how important the trust is to then positive conflict, to then get a commitment and then drive some results out of that. So tied into the accountability, it's been really, really powerful.
Wonderful. And you've got like 60 odd staff. There were 14 leaders. There was 12 in the actual session yesterday. But how are they today? After the 2 days of training, what's been the feedback?
There's already been an impact. I can tell by just being involved in some emails and some conversations this morning that we're definitely ready for it, and they've grabbed it with both hands.
Beautiful. You have an amazing business. You did make the quote yesterday, we're a trade business. We're very good at our trade, but we've got to become better leaders. Yep. Do you think you've achieved that from the training session we did yesterday?
We're well on the way. We've got work to do.
Yep.
We want to change the perception of our trade, and we're well on the way.
Yep. So if I was a tradie-based business and I was looking at this video, would you recommend our services for anyone out there?
Absolutely. If you really want to take your business to the next level and obviously build your people, you build your business, it's imperative you do it.
Thanks, mate.